I always got to come out your yard, you know, cause you always cook something nice. You cook for me this time.
You don't know, man.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know, sir, me make the best dumpling and mackerel.
What?
Sorry. Dumpling and tin boom.
Oh, you better correct
Yeah.
that. Yeah, that you cook for me this time?
Don't know about have a nice tall glass of lemonade.
Boy.
Ready for you when you come, man.
Boy,
Yeah.
that's so nice. But yeah, the dumpling and mackerel sound good, but I think we try something different. What do you think?
Something different?
Yeah. Like we always eat dumpling and you always eat the regular rice. I think so. Me and my friend might talk about scented rice. You know about scented rice? I wanna try that. Yeah, me hear them talk about them say eat nice.
Oh, scented rice. Yeah, man.
So I go like you never know about it.
Oh, hey, man, I have some of that, man. Yeah, man, me get it in the barrel. Come from, straight from fire. Yeah, man.
Whoa.
I don't know. I'm gonna just sort that out. It's some nice curry chicken back.
Bye.
Yeah, man, I have that ready and waiting. Inside all that, the tall glass of lemonade.
Yeah. I love how you always look out for me, yeah. I don't know if I look out back for you, you see it?
Yeah, man. Of course.
I sound so. Make sure you not give me out, you know. Make sure you not give me out, and come over there and have the scented rice, you know. Make sure you have it, you know.
Scented rice. Scented rice. $4.36. Find out here. But smell good. It's full of style and pattern in them thing, you know. Bake them again, SirPlus. Yeah, they done them 3 perfume a night. So this a pot of better smell good. Matter of fact, that's the best scented rice this shape I get in our life.